How do utility tokens work? In the physical world, Alibaba can launch a utility token that enables users to purchase goods and services on the platform. Alternatively, utility tokens can be released by a project during a crowdfunding event, via an ICO or IDO, to raise money and actualize their visions/mission statement. In this arrangement, the minted utility token enables investors to access their platform and transact, using the utility token as a means of payment within the platform. ICO/IDO tokens are not meant to generate profit but to increase the value of the project, create a network effect, and trigger mass interest in any of their product or value proposition. Think of utility tokens as your all-access pass to a blockchain project. They unlock special features, services, and content that regular users don't get. Whether it's a discount on platform products or rewards for participating through staking, these tokens give you more than just access. They give you a stake in the ecosystem. They allow you to engage directly with the platform, increasing your involvement and investment in its success. They're also the fuel for transactions and smart contracts, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. Ultimately, utility tokens not only enhance your experience, but also keep the platform running efficiently.